Hello and welcome to Heritage Builders. I'm Darren Freeman and I'm over here at Mustang Ridge on the Parkview house, Dave and Karen's, and just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're doing here in the master shower. As you can see, we've got the pan put in and it's all painted with the water sealer. So it's kind of a rubberized paint that we seal up everything. So we put hardy backer on it and then we tape all the seams and use a good polymer filled cement based product that seals everything up real tight. And then you can see the concrete bench. Now we do all of our benches out of solid concrete, so we block and cement them all in so they're good and solid. You don't ever have to worry about anything rotting out. So there's no wood in that, it's all concrete. And then of course we put a liner in the bottom. You can see that little thin strip along the edge there, that's the rubber liner that we put in. And then we put a fat mud product over the top of that. So everything is nice and tight and a lifetime good shower base. So the cabinet guys just got here today, so I'll step inside and we'll take a look at some cabinets. So I'm still in the master bath and they've got some of the cabinetry that's going to be installed in here. They're just setting it in place right now. There's some of the master closet. So it's going to be full custom cabinetry throughout in the master closet. We've got it all stacked in here, just nothing's installed right yet. And more of the same, just some more of the cabinetry that's going in. There goes Rudy, he's my tile guy. He does a really nice job. So we have the whole living room, dining room, everything is covered up with cabinets and interior doors. So thanks for tuning in to Heritage Builders. Remember to subscribe and like our page. We do appreciate that. And until next time, goodbye.